Compare and contrast. Animaker and VideoScribe. Animation videos are gaining popularity because they effectively convey audio and visual information. Animaker and VideoScribe are software programs for personal use, business, or education. Both may create explainer videos, 2D animated videos, and whiteboard animations. Their interface systems appear complex but are user-friendly. They have pre-built elements and allow importing templates, characters, properties, texts, backgrounds, images, royalty-free music, voiceover, transitions, and screen effects. They are either free or accessible in a payment plan. Free accounts have limited downloads with a watermark, whereas those requiring monthly or annual fees have multiple export choices with no watermarks. Both appear similar in terms of styles, features, and pricing, however, they differ in services offered. Animaker is best for storyboarding, while VideoScribe is best for hand-drawn illustrations. Animaker uses scenes or slides to put together assets, whereas VideoScribe has an infinite canvas with an adjustable camera position to highlight texts and images. Specifically, Animaker features customizable characters, facial expressions, accessories, and smart moves or action sequences to create studio-quality projects. VideoScribe uses still photos with graphic filters, drawing options, and a range of drawing hands within its library. Finally, although Animaker is more expensive than VideoScribe, $588 as opposed to $168 per year, both are suitable plans. Animaker and VideoScribe are two modern tools for communicating ideas and creating explainer videos, with the former specializing in 2D animation and the latter in whiteboard animation.